2 easy ways to hide apps on iPhone. 1. Hide apps from the home screen. To hide a single app, press and hold the app you want to remove. Tap Remove App. Then select Remove from Home Screen. The app will disappear from your home screen, but will still be available in the app library. To hide an entire page of apps, press and hold on an empty area of the home screen. Tap the dots at the bottom, then uncheck the page you want to hide. This will leave only the pages you choose visible. 2. Hide apps from the app library using Screen Time. Go to Settings, then tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions and enable it. To hide built-in apps like FaceTime, tap Allowed Apps and turn off the apps you want to hide. To hide downloaded apps, go to Content Restrictions, tap Apps, and choose an age limit. Most social media apps are rated 12+. If you set the limit to 4+, those apps will be hidden from your iPhone. For more tech tips, subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss an update.